Isuzu MU-X. May new facelift model, pero wala pang announcement kung kailan yung release. Check na muna natin yung outgoing model. 2024 Isuzu MU-X LSE 4x2 automatic. Yung SRP, 2,230,000 pesos. Black chrome front grille with camera para sa 360 view. Naka-projector headlight with DRL, pero yung turn signal, halogen. LED fog lamp. May front skid plate or bash plate na metal. Two-tone side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Naka 20-inch matte silver alloy wheels. Disc brake sa front and rear. Hindi ako masyadong fan ng ganitong colorway. Medyo hindi pang top of the line yung dating. May keyless or smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Ito rin yung stepboard sa D-Max. Maganda yung size. Hindi siya mahirap tapakan. All black leather seats. Maganda yung design. Medyo may pagka-bucket seat yung dating. Power adjustment yung driver seat. Yung sa passenger, manual. Medyo tinipid para sa top of the line. Sa door panel, hard plastic, leather armrest, power window control, pero driver window lang yung automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Okay naman yung design. Hindi lang ako fan ng plastic chrome part. Analog instrument cluster with 4.2-inch multi-info display. Push start stop button. Naka 10.1-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wala nga lang volume knob. Dual zone climate control. Maganda yung ganitong style. Toggle switch. Dagdag premium feeling. May auxiliary and USB port. Pero hindi ko na pinilit buksan. Baka masira. May 12-volt socket din. 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift. Yung dashboard, hard plastic. Okay yung visibility. Mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. Equipped na rin ng blind spot monitor. May cup holder malapit sa AC vent. Wireless charger. Electronic parking brake with auto hold. Dual glove box. Hindi nga lang dampen yung sa baba. Decent size para sa center storage. Check natin yung sun visor. May vanity mirror with light. Same sa passenger. Adjust ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung second row. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black leather seats. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung plastic cover. May grab handle sa B-pillar. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Leather armrest, power window control na hindi automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom, okay naman yung space, maluwag na rin. Okay din yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka. May 220-volt socket at 2 USB-A port. May center armrest pero hindi ko na nababa. Okay lang yung headroom, maluwag na rin to. Hindi rin problema yung seating position kasi pwede siyang i-adjust. Check natin yung third row seat. Okay na rin yung ganitong opening. I-test ko lang kung madali lang bang pumasok. Maliit na lang yung knee-room. Pero yung foot space, okay lang. Medyo mahirap lang yung palabas. Maganda naman yung design sa rear end. Naka-LED taillight. Pero yung turn signal at reverse light, halogen. May rear fog light, reverse camera, parking sensor, equipped na rin ng power liftgate. Hindi ko lang alam yung exact capacity, pero maluwag na rin. May underfloor storage. Hindi ako fan ng powered tailgate. Mas mabilis pa kung isasara ng manual. Check natin yung spare tire. Naka-steel rims. Cost cutting para sa top of the line. Walang available for test drive, kaya wala akong masasabi sa performance or ride comfort. Ito pa rin yung 3-liter 4JJ3 turbo diesel engine. Pa-like na lang and subscribe. Paalam.